Okay, so in this video I want to show you how I salvage yeast from my open fermenter. I've got this tub here that I normally ferment in. Take a quick look in here and you can see that I have a pretty nice amount of yeast slurry in there, nice and thick, and I basically want to scoop that out of there. So what I'm going to do first is swirl that around to get the thicker stuff up off of the bottom so I can scoop it out of there easier. Just give it a... in the meantime, while that's going on, I've got a bucket with sanitizer, iodine. Soaking in it is a Pyrex cup that I'm used to scoop, and a jar that I'm going to pour the yeast into. And this is the sanitizer that I use. And once I have it, the jar filled, I'm going to go ahead and cover it with some aluminum foil until the yeast gassing stops. So let's go ahead and pull this cover off. This yeast is a second generation. That's why there's so much of it in here. I fermented a pale ale originally, and then I just racked a double IPA off of this. So let this drip dry a little bit. And I'm just going to set that on the ground. Grab that. And then what I'm going to do here is just tilt this. You can see that big old bunch of yeast down in there. Go ahead and grab a bunch. Pour some into there. I'll grab some more. I could probably fill up about a gallon jug of this stuff, but I'm just going to get enough for this jug right here. And I'll grab enough aluminum foil to cover this. And I'm just going to wrap it on here fairly loose. Some gaps to let the CO2 come out. Because now that I've stirred up this yeast, it's going to start finishing off with little sugars in there and give off some CO2. And I don't want to put the lid on it until that's done. So I'll keep it covered with the foil for now, and I'll put a lid on it after it's been in the fridge for a few days.